adventure. This is great. We did it. Yeah. Let's see what we got here. Persimmons.
Donnie, you sure?
Yeah, they eat those. Yeah.
Sure, persimmon?
Yep.
You're sure?
That is a persimmon. Yeah.
My mom would know for sure. You tell me what it is.
Is it persimmon?
Why would you say that?
Because that's one of the things they got around here that I eat. Oh! That's good persimmon.
Yeah, which one do you think?
That's not no
That's
good.
what I didn't think. We didn't think. But the other one's probably good, isn't it?
On
Oh
the
yeah,
window,
this
man.
here's.
Yeah.
Yeah.
How do you eat those?
You just eat them. Just. You don't. Yeah.
You want to wash it?
Nah, I don't care to wash it. It's fine. So it's got that seeds in the middle.
Yeah.
Mmm.
Is it good?
Mm-hmm.
Is it a good one?
It's perfect. Maybe you remember when that pond had water in it?
Yeah.
That was the.
Not long ago.
That was the pond.
Yeah.
Here's a whole bunch of these. They're kind of like that. They're kind of ripe.
Okay. Don, didn't your Grandpa Harris? Didn't you do a tree over here for him?
Yeah, we did.
Do what? Plant a tree?
Yeah, it was a
Did it not?
baroque. It's a baroque. It's still here.
Oh wow! Look, this whole limb was. Look, this broke off. Oh no.
Oh, wow. Hey, when they fall like that, they're usually done.
Done like good.
Yeah. Mm-hmm. See how that's got that on it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's a good one.
The whole branch there.
Mm-hmm. All that went. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Yeah. Perfect. See, perfect.
Hold that.
Yeah.
Is that,
That one's a little bit too. Yeah. It's not good.
Yeah.
are
Yeah.
these two?
I wouldn't do that because it's too speckled. Yeah.
Persimmon tree.
Yeah. Persimmon.
Ain't there some way you can cut these open and look inside and see like if it's shaped
Yeah.
Yeah.
shaped like a guitar or a
No, a fork, a knife, or a spoon.
spoon? Yeah.
Really?
No, I ain't no sissy. I'll tell you.
What do you think of it?
Tastes like a peach,
Really?
but kind of just chalky.
That's what I remember too.
Got good flavor in there, but you could feels like something on around you, like
Well, okay, then it's not truly all the way ripe, because if it is, you don't get no chalky
yeah.
at all.
This one's got some chalky.
Yeah, it's on the.
There he goes.
Just cherry it away, Jeff.
Yeah.
Have you been into a bad one yet?
No.
The green tractor do that.
That is a big tree that fell. Wow. Good job. Problem solved. What'd you think of that? That's like a car, isn't it?
Wow.
That's like driving a car.
That's better than driving.
You ready for your driver's test? Wow. That's Hunter. Yeah, look at that. Wow. Yeah. You guys are crazy.
Huh?
7th annual.
There's Slotta bingo night.
Yeah.
Yeah. Just when you start to sink in that water, you call on the Lord and He'll pull you right on up.
That's right.
Just when you take your hands off the good Lord, you stop looking, you turn around, you say, Lord, the Lord pulls you right on back.
Preach it, bro.
Oh, isn't it?
Yeah.
Somebody say amen.
Amen.
I said somebody say amen.
Amen.
Nicaragua in 43. Wait, hold on a second. Hey, it's election night. We just found some more balls.
Wow.
They were under the desk. Nicaragua.
Yeah.
Nicaragua. 32.
Good job, Tyler.
Come on in, Tyler.
How do you say it?
Yeah.
Come on, Tyler. Go buy some cha-cha. Get some cha-cha meal. In 34.
Nope.
I feel like a puppet behind here, like Bibi's Delight.
Yeah.
Hey, Tom should be doing that.
Yeah, he'd love this.
Yeah.
Tom was on TV school.
Sputnik. Remember there was a Sputnik he lost to? Yeah, this is cool. Yeah.
Yo, Paw. He gets around pretty good. I think he's going extra fast just to show off.
Yeah.
So he picks a coloring book. Some lips.
Yeah, there you go.
No way.